Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would mean so much to me, and I really love making new friends. And thank you all who watch and who have already subscribed and watch and comment. It means so much to me. And I love that I've made so many new friends since I've started doing this. And please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And today I have my Boxycharm Premium. Do you want to see what's in here? It's a really good box. I will just give you a hint. These boxes are $35, and my box retail price was $277. And I know some of these are really, their prices, they really jack their prices up. I know that, but I also know that it's still worth the $35. You would not be able to get this on sale anywhere for that, and I'd still say even if at the bare minimum you'd probably spend over $100 for these products, but I could be wrong. The first thing I'm going to pull out is the Real Her Lip Duo. I like Real Her products. I know I've mentioned that before. I really want to do a video of the full face of Real Her. I have not checked. I have the bronzer and the blush. I have eyeshadow. I have the lip liner now. I'm pretty sure I have eyeliner. I have lipstick. I have to do some research to see if they make foundation and everything else to do the whole face. Or I know a lot of people, when they say whole face, you have to make allowances for, you know, some things that you just is impossible. Like, you know, if you did a whole face of a brand that did not make a certain, you know, like foundation, and that's kind of a very important part of a whole face, then you have to make allowances, and I've seen people do that, so I'm going to look into that. This retails for $25. Line your lips with ease. This creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and our true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. I'm pretty sure I have actually tried the Real Her lip liner. So far, everything I have tried from this brand I have liked, so I am thinking I will like these. And there are the colors. So let's look at this one. This one is the red one, I assume, because it's red. Yep, very smooth. And I would say this is the nude because it's a light brown. Those are nice. I think so, but like I said, I like this brand. And then the next thing, I mean, it is nothing too special. I really do wish I had got a different color, because, I mean, I don't know if it's the Dose of Colors, the single eyeshadow. Don't really care for that color too much, just because, I mean, that color is pretty much in every palette, seems like. but I mean, it's a single eyeshadow. I'm fine with that. That says, this eyeshadow is packed with a multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra-dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes in its own mirrored compact that retails for $20. I guess I will try that. I do wish it was a different color because I don't really want to put black all over my lid, but I'd like to see what it does, if it really does have that multi-dimensional reflect. And then the next thing I got is the Grown Alchemist, however you say it, Detox Night Cream, Peptide 3, Echinacea, Reishi Extract. This advanced detoxifying night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. This retails for $125. I thought that was crazy when I got the day cream one for hands and stuff, that's actually a little bigger than this tube, I do believe, and it was like $69, and I thought that was crazy. But I do know this is a very expensive brand, and I do know I've seen people pay a lot of money for ones like that come out of our boxes, just because it is a really good brand. I mean, I've used the other one on my hands and I don't have any complaints. The next thing I have is my Ilamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. This was my choice. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. And this retails for $50. Find out how to open this. Once again, I forgot to get my knife over here to open these. I hate tearing the packages. This was a really pretty package. Look, it's like it almost feels like a velvet. It's really pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I will do a look with this and swatch it and all that for you here soon. There are the colors. Aren't those pretty? I'll swatch a couple and then I'm going to come back. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Look at, oh, that's pretty. And then let's swatch a lighter one. I'm going to do a look with this soon and I will swatch all the colors. They look like, again, this is a brand that I haven't tried a whole lot of this brand, but from what I have tried, I did like. And then I got this really weird brush set. I know it is not really a brush like for makeup, but it is by Cosmodex. Take cleaning to the next level with this embossed brush design for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, or mask with ultimate precision and no mess. And this retails for $25. Then a really nice little zipper thing to keep it. I like that because when you're done with it, you can just put it back. Oh, I thought it was plastic, but it's actually that is cool. Look at that. I thought it was just a plastic When I was looking in there, I thought it was plastic, but it is actually a really dense brush. And then of course you've got this brush, the spatula. Can you see that it has these little bristles? I don't know if you can see that. I think it's showing. And then the other side is smooth. I will use these and try them out. I love anything to do with skincare. And then the next item I got was the Purr 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette. I actually thought about buying this on the pop-up, but like I said, I hadn't slept in over 48 hours now. I'm trying not to yawn and stay up and get these videos done, but I thought about getting this, but I've got to cut back on spending. There's just too much going on right now but I am going to keep some of my boxes, but I do have to cut back on some of the spending. This 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look, accentuate your best features, and bring out the best in you. With this exclusive collection, this retails for $32. Oh, let me tell you before I forget, this box, oh, this is a box, look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. I got variation 1. I don't think I've ever gotten variation 1. And this box weighed 1.8 pounds. So here is the packaging. And then here is the palette. It's a nice palette. It's good and thick. Oh yeah, I saw this. That's what, yeah, it was really, and it's got the full mirror. Look at these pretty colors. Look at that. Really pretty. That blush, look at that. I've got swatches on it, but man, that is pretty. It feels like really smooth. Look at those. Really pretty. I can't wait to play with this. Look at that. It's really nice. I don't know if it's showing that way on you, but it's showing this one almost looks yellow, but it's actually a really light tan. Maybe it's just on my end, but when I look in the viewfinder, it looks like it's almost a yellow color. But there's that really pretty packaging. So another box I'm happy with. I can't think of anything. I've already said what the value was. Let's see, it was variation 1, weighed 1.8 pounds. Retail value for all the items was $277. So I am happy with this bag, and I will be doing some videos soon on some of these. I do want to do like videos trying to put, say, everything that I put on my face came from some box or another. I do want to try that here soon. I've got so many things I want to get done and just not enough time, but I love you guys. I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.